Since the beginning of time, humans have settled disagreements with blood. But throughout history, something inside us has screamed. There have to be limits. That scream became the first Geneva Convention in 1864 and gave birth to the universal laws of war. Rules that look the world in the eye and say, you can fight, but there are lines you do not cross. These laws draw one unbreakable line: who you're allowed to attack, and who you must always protect. The single most important rule on Earth: civilians can never be deliberate targets. To make them targets is a war crime. They drove into our village shouting they were going to kill everyone. I was so scared I ran and hid in the bush. I heard my mother screaming. I thought I'd never see her again. Every possible precaution must be taken to spare civilians and the things they need to survive: water, food, hospitals, homes. Civilians have the right to receive help, no matter who's winning. The conditions prisoners lived in never used to bother me. One of them was the reason my brother was dead. He was the enemy, less than nothing. Then I realized, behind those bars, he's no longer a threat. The laws of war say you don't torture, you don't degrade. You give food, water, letters from home. Not for them, but so we don't become the monsters we're fighting. Both sides were torn apart in a deadly battle. We were racing the wounded to hospital when a soldier jammed a rifle in my face. Treat my men only my men, or nobody gets treated. We were losing them every second. I thought that day everyone was going to die. Doctors, nurses, ambulances, the Red Cross, the Red Crescent. We are no uniform except humanity. They must never be attacked. The wounded have the right to care, even if 5 minutes earlier they were trying to kill each other. Weapons are getting smarter. Drones, robots, AI that picks its own targets. One day war might be decided by machines with no heart, no fear, no mercy. The question is simple. Will a robot ever know the difference between a soldier and a child waving a white flag? No matter how sophisticated the killing gets, the rule stays ancient. Preserve a minimum of human dignity, even when everything else is burning. Because when the last bullet is fired and the smoke finally clears, someone still has to be able to look the other person in the eye and start rebuilding a world together. International humanitarian law isn't about ending war. It's about making sure war doesn't end us. If these rules ever fall, humanity falls with them. This is the final word. Drop your thoughts below. Do the laws of war even matter anymore in the age of drones and killer robots? Like if you believe some lines should never be crossed. Subscribe for more uncomfortable truth. I'll see you in the next one. This has been The Final Word.